Hey, this is just a follow-up on those control arms. Remember that early video? I think it was done almost a year ago, maybe last February or so. So on the passenger side, if you notice, right, that little slit there starting to rip a little bit. Everything else looks good. The centers look good. The left side, their inside ones look good, so I don't see a problem there. A little rippage on the one on the right. So let's go around to the other side. So looks like there's more rippage on that side, on the front ones. Can't really tell. That looks good on the back. Really hard to tell, but it does look like it's worse on this side. So, like I said, most of the aftermarket ones, most people who have used any version of the aftermarket uppers, have said after about a year, 2 years, they got to do it again. So I'll probably be looking at replacing these guys again once it gets warmer. Like I said, it's about 7 degrees outside today, and in the garage, since it's not heated, it's about 40. So I'll probably wait it out a little bit. Supposed to be a week from today, it's supposed to be back to 40, but then spring's around the corner. So anyway, just wanted to kind of give you an updated review on the control arms since it's been about a year and how they've held up. Like I said, the center ones look good. So I guess we'll be looking at that again. Maybe I'll do another video on that, but I don't know, since I've already did that first one. But I might just do a short one just to show you a close-up of how they look. So there we go, a 1-year follow-up on those uppers. Thanks.